And then the head comedian said, can you put a chest of drawers together quickly? Well, there's a lot of things I can do quickly. There are many things that should be done more leisurely. I've read the instructions. It's one of those flat pack jobs, you know, that you get from the trendy, fashionable sort of furniture shops. The instructions that come with it say that you should be able to do it in 20 minutes. Right, okay. I think if you've done 100 of them, you might be able to do the 101st in 20 minutes. Yeah, lots of fiddly bits. So I've just come down here to find the things that I'm going to need. A ratchet jobby thing for turning screws with, me screwdriver bits, a wooden knocky thing. Wooden knocky things are better than metal knocky things because you can... Yeah, I've already got the glue. Right, okay. Now, those of you that have followed the series so far will know that I'm not going to do a thing until I've drunk me tea. Flat pack furniture. I understand why people buy it. I wish they wouldn't. I also understand why they turn round to me and say, can you put it together? It's intended to be put together by someone who hasn't the first idea of furniture construction or carcass construction. And invariably, it's not as easy as that. So I'm off to another place, suitably armed, and I'm going to build a chest of drawers.